In this video, we will learn all about the fault. P0544. What does it mean? Symptoms, causes, and how to solve it. We also respond frequent questions related to this error. First, what does error code P0544 mean? Error code P0544 refers to a problem in the intake air temperature (IAT) sensor circuit in the engine management system. This code indicates that the powertrain control module (PCM) has detected a voltage signal that is unusually low or outside the parameters set by the manufacturer, which may indicate a malfunctioning sensor or a problem in the electrical circuit that connects it to the PCM. The IAT sensor is crucial to engine operation, as it measures the temperature of the air entering the engine and allows the PCM to adjust the fuel mixture and ignition timing to optimize engine performance and reduce emissions. When the IAT sensor does not provide accurate readings, several engine operating problems can occur. This can lead to an incorrect fuel mixture, which in turn can cause increased fuel consumption and pollutant emissions, as well as performance issues. Therefore, it is critical to address any issues related to the P0544 code to ensure efficient and sustainable vehicle operation. What are the symptoms of the P0544 fault? Loss of engine power, increased fuel consumption, difficulty starting the engine, air-fuel mixture errors, variations in engine performance under different weather conditions. Wait. Important. If this information is useful to you, please subscribe. That way you motivate us to continue uploading more videos. What causes can generate the DDC P0544? Faulty intake air temperature sensor, loose or corroded electrical connections in the IAT sensor circuit, short circuit in the sensor wiring, powertrain control module, PCM, fault, damaged thermistors in the air temperature sensor. What are the possible solutions for the OBD2 code P0544? Replace the intake air temperature sensor if it is determined to be faulty. Inspect and repair the sensor's electrical connections to ensure good contact. Check for and repair any short circuits in the IAT sensor wiring. Diagnose and, if necessary, replace the powertrain control module, PCM. Test the IAT sensor thermistors and replace them if damaged. We'll answer some frequently asked questions. Can a vehicle with a P0544 code be driven? Driving a vehicle with a P0544 code is not recommended. Although the vehicle may be operable, improper operating conditions resulting from an inaccurate intake air temperature sensor reading can impair engine performance and increase fuel consumption. Furthermore, ignoring this problem could result in long-term damage to other engine components, such as the fuel injection system, which could lead to more costly repairs. Therefore, it is advisable to address this problem as soon as possible. Which sensors are related to the P0544 fault? The primary sensor associated with the P0544 code is the intake air temperature, IAT, sensor. This sensor is responsible for measuring the temperature of the air entering the engine. However, it is also important to consider that any problem in the electrical circuit that connects this sensor to the PCM, as well as in the PCM itself, can contribute to the code's appearance. An engine coolant temperature, ECT, sensor can also indirectly influence the readings if the two systems interact in the engine management process. How much would it cost to repair the P0544 fault? The cost of repairing the P0544 code can vary significantly depending on the cause of the problem. If the diagnosis indicates that the intake air temperature sensor needs to be replaced, the cost of the sensor typically ranges from $50 to $150, depending on the make and model of the vehicle. If the electrical connections are faulty and require repair, the cost can range from $100 to $200 total, including labor. In more complicated cases, where the PCM needs to be replaced, costs could reach between $500 and $1,000. Therefore, it's advisable to perform a full diagnostic to accurately identify the cause of the problem and obtain a more accurate estimate of repair costs. Without further ado, I hope this video has been useful to you and you can solve your problem. See you in a next video. Bye-bye.